Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing Pakoda platter. I've taken different vegetables here to make the Pakoda platter. So here are the ingredients. I've taken one cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour which is homemade, half spoon of chili powder or according to your taste, and salt as per taste. So here we have ridge gourd, brinjal, spinach leaves and a few onion. So we'll start to prepare the batter first. I've added all the ingredients. We'll start to add water gradually and make a thick batter out of this. Make sure the batter is thick and not too flowy. If the batter is too flowy, then the gram flour cannot hold the vegetable and the pakodas will not turn out well. So here I'm just making the batter. Mix that really well and make sure there are no lumps. So this is how the consistency of the batter should be. So the batter is ready now. We'll start to make the pakodas. First I've dipped brinjal here. So just dip that into the batter and put that into the hot oil and make sure the flame is low because we want the batter and the vegetable to cook well. If you're cooking it on high flame, then only the gram flour would be cooked and the vegetables will not be. So just flip that around occasionally to make sure it's cooked well on both the sides. It would hardly take like 3 minutes. So now we'll just take this off the oil and place it onto a kitchen towel or into a strainer to remove excess of oil here. We'll follow the same procedure for ridge gourd as well. Just dip that into the batter and fry that into hot oil and make sure the flame is low. And the rice flour that I've made, it's homemade. I've made sure that the rice flour is rough so that we get crispy pakodas. If you're using like a soft texture of rice flour, then you would not get that crispiness. So here, even the ridge gourd pakoda is ready now. We'll follow the same for the onion and spinach leaf as well. I hope you're liking the recipe, and if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So here is the last set, which is spinach leaves. I'm just frying this on both the sides. It's crispy, tasty and yummy. Do try that at home and let me know in the comment section below. And if you also want to know how I made the rice flour at home, let me know, guys. I'll make a separate video. Thank you so much for watching.